What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video I'll show you how to draw Donkey Kong from Super Mario. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of our page with the nostrils. We're going to start right in the middle, start with a curve that goes up and out towards the left. Go back to the center, go up and out towards the right. Now it's going to bend the nostril, going around and then down on either side. Now you want to leave a gap in the center, go to the left side and add a curve, going up and out toward the left. Line this up on the right and do the same thing. Now we want to move down in the middle and draw a curve for the mouth. Starting back over on the left, bend this up and then down. That's going to round out the mouth and then bend that up toward the left, towards the corner of the mouth. Go to the right, round this out, and then go up towards the same height. Let's add a bracket on the corners of the mouth. Now going back over toward the left side, let's draw the bottom edge of the mouth. We're going to come down in the middle, round this out, and then pull that up. Let's go underneath the mouth on the left, add a curve going in between, and then back up towards the right. Now on the ends, draw a straight line coming down. Let's fill the outside corners of the mouth in black. Now let's go in and separate out the teeth. Starting right at the very top in the middle, go all the way down towards the bottom. Now let's separate out the top. Stepping over to the left, draw one line, move over and draw that once more. Do the same thing on the right. Now let's offset the bottom row of teeth. From this line we'll step in, draw one line, from the outside step in, draw that again. Now just underneath the mouth, we're going to step down and add another curve for the lip. Coming down and then up. Now let's go back up to the side of the nostril and round out the cheeks and come down towards the chin. Let's start from the top left. We're going to bend this up, go around the corner of the mouth and come down. Now we'll do the same thing on the right. Going up and then bending that down. Let's go back to the left side. I'm going to round out the head and bring that in just underneath the lip. Go across and then up towards the right. And now we're going to go back up to the top and draw the bottom edge of the brow. Let's start right in the middle with a point. I'm just going to bend the brow coming down and up towards the left. Let's round out the eye and just bend that back in on top of the cheeks. Let's go back to the center. I'm going to raise up the right brow, going up a little bit higher. Round this out, come down, and then bend that in. Let's go back to that center point. We're just going to split the brow, going out towards the left and back up towards the middle. I'm going to trace the right brow, going up towards the top. And I just want to taper this down towards the bottom. Let's do the same thing on the left. Going out and up, round out the brow. And again, just tapering that down towards the bottom. Let's leave a gap in the center and draw two circles for the eyes tucked in underneath the brow. So we'll start on the bottom left, coming around towards the nose, continue on the outside, and just bend that back up. Let's go over towards the right, going down and out in behind the nose, continue along the outside, and then up. Let's push the iris and pupil towards the inside of the eye. Starting from the very top, draw a circle, going around and then back in. Do the same thing on the right. Let's add a small highlight circle on the top left side of each iris. Now I want to draw a small circle in the center of the iris for the pupil, going underneath the highlight. So go all the way around and then back up towards the top. And we'll fill the center of the pupils in black. Now let's move out to the side and brush the hair going out towards the left. Let's start from the left side of the brow, step out, curve this around, and bend that in. I'm just going to bend that back out to create a point, and then bend that in and down. Let's add another point, going up and then out, bend that in, and then come down. From the top of this curve, add another point, going up and out, and go all the way across towards the right, and then bend that down. Let's add another point, stepping up, go up and over. Now it's going to pull this down towards the right side. Bring this out, go around the eye, and then pull that in on top of the cheek. Now I'm going to place the ears on the side of the head. Let's start on the left side, go up, round out the ear, and then bend that in on top of the cheek. Let's line up the top, going up, down, and then in. Now we want to add those folds inside the ear. From the top, step down, just trace the ear going all the way around towards the side. Do the same thing on the right. And add one more curve, coming around and just hooking that in. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how we draw Donkey Kong from Super Mario. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe and share this with all your friends because I'm posting new lessons every single week. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.